penguins are walking together. Same direction, same routine, same life. And then one penguin stops. No warning, no explanation, no group meeting. It just turns around and walks away. Not toward food, not toward safety, not toward the colony. Straight toward the mountains. Scientists say that path leads to death, but the internet don't care about science. It gave this penguin a name, the nihilist penguin. And suddenly it became everyone, because this penguin did what a lot of us secretly want to do. It quit. No resignation email, no LinkedIn post, no plan, no apology. Just leaving. In a world that screams, hustle, grind, optimize, achieve, this penguin said, "Nah, I am done." It doesn't panic, it doesn't argue, it doesn't ask, but what's next? It just walks. That calm, quiet living is why people can't stop watching. It hits something deep: burnout, loneliness, quiet rebellion, existential tiredness. Psychologists say people project their feelings onto images like this. Sociologists say nihilism is rising, and basically we are exhausted. And notice this part. The other penguin doesn't stop it. Doesn't ask, "Are you okay?" Doesn't follow. Just like real life. People don't disappear suddenly. They disappear after being ignored for too long. Scientists say the penguin wasn't making a deep philosophical choice. It might have been sick or disoriented. But the internet said, same. That final glance back, that pause, that's the moment before someone closes their laptop forever. Before they mute the group chat, before they stop explaining themselves. The penguin isn't cute, it isn't funny, it isn't inspirational, it's honest. In a world that keeps telling us to endure everything, to keep going on no matter what, this penguin chose the most relatable option: walking away. No meaning, no plan, no apology, and somehow it feels freeing. If you have ever wanted to disappear without announcing it, if you have ever imagined just leaving the chaos behind, congratulations, you already understand the penguin.